Because anyone who steals is a thief. And when they say, I am not a thief, I did not steal anything, I was born after 1994, you must tell them, anyone in possession of a stolen goods is a criminal. Therefore, they are thieves too. If they don't want to continue with the legacy of their parents, they must return the stolen goods to the rightful owner. We will see whether we'll forgive them or not. Comrades, these people must know that as long as the land is still in the hands of the minorities, there will never be peace in South Africa. How can you have peace with people who are landless? Our people want land. Our people want dignity. Our people want to defeat poverty. Our people want to defeat crime. You can only do that when you have the land. Today, they say there are no white criminals. Why would they be white criminals? Because they've got everything. If you give us what they have, we will not be criminals. We are being forced to go and eat nyaupe because there are no recreational facilities in our township, in our villages. So we must make sure that we take this land back to the people of Sophiatown. They were removed here forcefully. Their pain, you can still touch it. And we must make sure that wherever you Masekela is sleeping, Miriam Makeba is sleeping, they should be smiling from their graves that their children are continuing with the fight that they have started. We are proud to join. We are proud to join those who came before us. Comrades, we need to identify every piece of land that belongs to us, and we need to start utilizing that piece of land for the benefits of everyone. We don't want this expropriation act that Ramaphosa signed in the current form, because that expropriation says they must be compensated. How do you give criminals money? If I find you with my stolen car, and when you have put Mac wheel on my car, you have tinted windows, no, bring my car, this is my car. You agree or no? I know it's your car, but I've put Mac wheel and tinted windows. It's not my problem. You go around decorating stolen goods. It's not my problem. It is your own problem. The people of District 6 are continuing to inspire us because they too lost their land. We want everybody who lost the land to know that their home is in the EFF, because EFF is the only one that is fighting genuinely for the land to be returned to the people of South Africa. Comrades, those people who are in Soweto, it is not by choice. They were moved from beautiful land and they went to dump them very far from industries and so on and so forth. We need to start relocating our people back into the industries so that when you work in this firm, your home is not far. You walk home. Because today, those who work in Sandton and they are from Soweto, they wake up at 4 o'clock if they are going to make it at 8 o'clock. We cannot allow that to continue. It's inhuman. We want you not to go the opposite of Johannesburg. You must come this direction of Johannesburg because that's where you belong. That's where they forcefully removed you. Comrades, we want you to spend your money on feeding your own children and feeding yourself. Not spending your money, all of it, on transport because you stay far from where you work. You stay far from where you go for school. We don't want these sellouts who took the land, who took our country in 1994 and claimed that they will return the land. till to date, they have not returned anything to us except stealing everything from us. That's what they know. Instead of delivering services to our people and return the land, what they know is to steal. All of them combined, there is no better person. Once a person says, I'm a member of the ANC, you must know, tsotsi. Ya tsotsi. How can you bana motho a peribu yellow? Ba ANC, utsbor tsotsi. Mpiani shiona. Ya utsama I utswa dilo tsa batho. Leo ka bona ba apeshe ngwana monyane skipper sa ANC pelo a o ebe botoko o re yo ba moruta botsotsi se ngwana. Comrades, we want to make sure that when the EFF goes into government, it's not going to play. We expropriate farms, we give them to the farm workers. We don't want a farm worker removed from a farm. They are the ones who are working that farm. There is no white man who works the farm. It is black people who are driving tractors. It is black people who are harvesting. It is us who know how to work the land. And we require no white supervision when we go and work on the land. Let the farms be returned to the farm workers. Let all the farm workers be buried inside the farm. They must not be chased out of the farms because they don't know any other home except that farm. That's where they must be buried. And after burying them there, when their relatives want to visit them, they must be allowed to go and visit the graves of their loved ones because that is their land. Comrades, Batuma, EFF formiwa 11 years ago, Rekreile Balatlile Freedom Charter, Raichia Freedom Charter, Raitinta. So harbulela ka land, rebulela ka Freedom Charter, ye Ramaphosa IGK abereka ka Ramaphosa Charter, asalatela charter, ye re tsibang ye adoptilweng ka 1955. So we must know, or Rena, we are continuing with the Freedom Charter. We want all the doors of learning to be opened for all our children, whether you have money or not, whether you are black or white. You must choose a school and go and attend school there free of charge. We must give you school books. We must give you food. You must eat properly. And there must be meat with that food. Because they found us with cows. We never had a problem of meat. So we can't be given food without meat. That is the highest form of disrespect. Rinaldi khomu, khala Rinaldi khomu. So hauna motho a tlo re fa dijo a re tla sheba ka sopo.